Panasonic already has some great full-frame mirrorless cameras in the market, but its new Lumix S5 II finally adds a very important feature that everyone has been waiting for, a hybrid autofocus system. Hey everyone, my name is Ishan, this is Gadgets 360, and here are our first impressions for the Panasonic LUMIX S5 II. So let's get started. Panasonic sent us the S5 II with a kit lens combo, which includes the 20 to 60mm lens and the camera body. Inside, we get the lens hood, charging adapter, USB Type-C charging cable, shoulder strap, user manual, and the Lumix S5 II itself. Panasonic is attempting to compete with full-frame equivalents from Sony, Nikon, and Canon with the launch of the Lumix S5 II, a mirrorless camera that costs Rs 1,94,990 in India, just for the body. The camera features a matte-finished metal chassis and is definitely built like a tank. It gives off a very confident impression due to the extended grip, which also aids in better ergonomics. One dial along with the shutter button is located on the top of the camera, followed by the mode dial, which has the power switch immediately next to it. There are separate buttons for white balance, ISO, exposure, and video recording. The back of the camera has a menu button, selector dial, focus mode dial, joystick, back button, display button, and a customizable button that may be assigned to execute a specific task. The viewfinder protrudes out a little, especially because of the air vents located on the sides to aid in longer shooting times and keep the camera cool. It also comes equipped with a hot shoe mount on the top. On one side, the Panasonic LUMIX S5 II sports a microphone input jack, headphone jack, HDMI port, and USB Type-C port, while the other side has two SD card slots. The body is weather sealed and all the buttons on this mirrorless camera are placed ergonomically, making it quite easy to use. Panasonic LUMIX S5 II is available in 3 configurations in India. The body alone costs Rs 1,94,990. The LUMIX S5 II kit with the Lumix 20-60mm lens costs Rs 2,24,990, and the kit with 2 lenses, Lumix 20-60mm and Lumix S50mm f1.8, costs Rs 2,44,990. The camera features a 3-inch free-angle touchscreen display. The display is bright enough to be used outdoors during the day, and the menu layout is straightforward enough that I didn't have to dig deep into the settings to access most features. It sports a 24.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor with 779 face detection autofocus points. It has a maximum burst shooting rate of 30 frames per second. The camera also has 5-axis in-body stabilization. For still photos, the Panasonic LUMIX S5 II has an ISO range of 100 to 51,200, which can be expanded to 50 to 2,04,800. The few initial samples I was able to capture were really detailed and had good colors straight out of the camera. The autofocus system on this camera was quite fast and accurate. On the video front, the Lumix S5 II can record at up to 6K 30fps with a bitrate of up to 200 Mbps. I shot a few videos with this camera and from my initial assessment can confidently report that the in-body stabilization works great, dynamic range is good, details are crisp, and the focus shift was smooth and accurate even with close-up shots. The Panasonic LUMIX S5 II is shaping up to be a good camera with an ergonomic design and a great set of features. But will this be enough to compete with equally stellar offerings from other mirrorless camera manufacturers? That's it for today's video. Let us know what you think about Panasonic LUMIX S5 II in the comments. See you guys in the next one. Until then, keep following Gadgets 360 for all things tech.